The double height glazed volume allows light to be brought deep into the ground floor living spaces, but also provides an outlook for a first floor home working space. From the desk space, an aperture to key living spaces below allows the possibility of social interaction. The project's a full house refurbishment that explores the interplay of form, light and materiality through architectural design. We conducted a series of massing studies that explored ways in which 2 stories could be added to the back of the house without them impinging on the neighbouring amenity. We wanted to introduce as much height and light as possible into the design, and we did that through the introduction of 2 voids within the house. The first of which was an existing staircase that was replaced, and light was brought down through that from above. The second was through the introduction of a rear extension over 2 stories that allowed daylight to enter from the north side of the house. We applied micro-cement monolithically to floors, walls and ceilings to create a sculptural effect and also allow floor finishes to flow seamlessly outside. We think about the garden as an extension of the home's interior, and to achieve this we've used a matching material palette. We look to the rhythm of existing dormers on the roofscape at the back of the house. Externally, a cascading series of stacked glazed volumes remodel the rear facade. We use textural cast glass to prevent overlooking from the neighbours, whilst also allowing abundant diffuse light to enter the living spaces. We replaced the existing central stair and remodelled the landings in order to allow light to be brought down from above. A key aspect of the client-architect relationship was to balance the design ambition for the project with budgetary constraints and sustainability objectives. We followed the build closely to ensure that we delivered a home that was transformative for our client and their family.